Imagine waking up in 2026 and realizing that people younger than you are earning 20 Indian rupees to 40 Indian rupees lakhs per year, working remotely, using AI tools from their laptops. Sounds crazy? But here's the truth: the job market is changing faster than ever before. And if you learn the right skill now, you could completely change your future. Most people are wasting time learning outdated skills. But companies today are looking for only one thing: people who can work with artificial intelligence. Not people afraid of AI. Not people ignoring AI. Winners in 2026 will be the people who know how to use AI to save time, automate work, and increase productivity. So what is the best skill to learn in 2026? It's not just coding. It's not just editing. It's not just data analytics. The real high-income skill is AI plus automation. Because AI is entering every industry: finance, marketing, SAP, Power BI, software, video editing, customer service, content creation. And companies are paying huge salaries to people who can combine their existing skills with AI. Let me give you some examples. A normal video editor edits manually. An AI video editor finishes work 5 times faster. A normal data analyst creates reports manually. An AI-powered analyst uses tools like Power BI plus AI to automate dashboards. A normal employee writes emails manually. An AI-skilled employee uses ChatGPT to complete tasks in minutes. See the difference? AI is not replacing skilled people. AI is replacing people who refuse to learn. Why this skill is powerful, and the biggest reason: this skill is only powerful. You don't even need a huge investment to start. Most AI tools are either free or extremely cheap compared to traditional education. You can literally start learning from YouTube today. And if you stay consistent for the next 6 to 12 months, by 2026, you could already be ahead of 90% people in the market. Here's my prediction: in the future, companies won't ask, "Can you work hard?" They'll ask, "Can you use AI to increase results?" That's where the money will be. So if you're serious about building a high-income career, start learning AI now. Not next year. Not later. Because the people who start early will get the biggest advantage. And trust me, 2026 belongs to people who learn faster than everyone.